Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog hair clippers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Conair Pro Dog and Cat Palm Pro Micro Trimmer. This palm-sized, battery-operated clipper is perfect for touch-ups in between visits to your regular groomer, though it's still powerful enough to more thoroughly groom smaller dogs. You can keep your pet from looking overgrown by trimming around its face, ears, paws, and genitals. Because of the clipper's size and low volume, it won't scare even the most skittish of pups. And with 2 comb attachments, lubricating oil, and a cleaning brush, its price certainly can't be beat. Conair Dog Palm Pro Micro Trimmer is designed for trimming face, paws and ears. Ergonomic comfort grip, with easy-to-use trigger switch, enables micro trimmer to fit snugly in your palm, out of animal's sightline. Cordless, battery-powered, AAA, trimmer runs quiet and smooth. Includes 2 comb attachments, plus lubricating oil, cleaning brush and 1 AAA battery. Conair Dog offers pet owners a complete line of home grooming kits, trimmers, pet dryers, grooming tools and pet accessories. Moving on at number 4, we have the Oneisall dog clippers. When you're trying to keep your pup calm during a grooming session, the last thing you need is the cord of your clippers getting in the way. This cordless dog clipper can hold a charge for up to 150 minutes, and charges in the same amount of time. It has an LCD indicator light to let you know exactly how much juice you have left, and in the event that you need to use it before it has time to charge, it also works with the included cord. With 2 different speeds, it performs as well as it does on long-haired pooches as it does on short-haired ones. Statements regarding dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. At number 3, we have the Oster A6 Slim Heavy-Duty Animal Clipper. When you're looking for a clipper for long-haired dogs, you need one with a heavy-duty motor, which this one has, making these grooming clippers a great option for dogs with thick coats or big dogs. The motor runs at 4,000 strokes per minute and has 3 different speeds. Plus, they're lightweight, but durable enough for big grooming jobs. Since they're corded, you won't have to worry about the battery dying mid-grooming, though be aware that the cord does make it a little bit more difficult to maneuver at times. They also come in some fun, bright colors. The future of grooming is here. Featuring a patent-pending angled eccentric drive system, precision-calibrated motor, and vibration isolators to help absorb vibration and noise, the state-of-the-art Oster A6 in trade, slim 3-speed clipper was specifically designed for comfort, efficiency, and functionality. Made in the USA. At number 2, we have the Dog Grooming Kit Clippers. If you're new to dog grooming and not sure home grooming is going to work out for you and your pup, the last thing you want to do is pour hundreds of dollars into clippers. But at the same time, buying the wrong clippers can be dangerous or useless. So what do? We recommend getting these Haida's dog grooming clippers. They're very affordably priced, but they actually work, and safely too. They have a relatively quiet motor to help keep your pup calm while you groom them. Their blades are titanium and adjustable, and it's easy to hold. Plus it comes with a variety of accessories you'll need for grooming at home and comes in 3 fun colors: gold, red, and silver. And finally at number 1, we have the Wahl Lithium-ion Pro Series Cordless Animal Clippers. Packing a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Wahl Deluxe Dog Clippers have a 2-hour runtime, which should provide ample wiggle room for amateurs to practice their dog grooming. Or, if the batteries are low, a 15-minute quick charge will give you an additional 8 minutes of runtime. In addition to its long-lasting battery, the Wahl clippers provide 6,000 strokes per minute, SPMs, of power, which is enough for trimming and clipping for dogs with fine to medium hair. The Deluxe Pro Series pet clippers are adequately powerful for dogs with double coat hairs, but you might want to consider a plug-in model instead. The rechargeable Wahl pet clippers come in a hard storage case with all the accessories you'll need to get started grooming your dog, including a blade guard, charger, styling comb, cleaning brush, scissors, and blade oil. It also comes with 4 color-coded clipper combs, which enables you to cut hair to 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch lengths. Wahl has become practically synonymous with hair clippers, and for good reason. For more than 100 years, the Illinois company has been making high-quality grooming products for both people and animals. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.